Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a brand new bowling ball from Roto Grip, the Wicked Gremlin. Here we go. What is Wicked Gremlin? This is going to be the strongest Gremlin out of the three. We have the original Gremlin that has a pearl cover stock. We have the Gremlin Tour X, which has a lower differential, a different core. Putting the same core from the original Gremlin in this bad boy with a stronger cover with no nano. If you don't know what that means, it's not going to be as strong as an Ion Max type bowling ball. It's going to be a little closer to the Equinox Solid, which we have brought today. This thing is strong. When I say strong, I mean early. This ball is pretty early. Laid this one out 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 by 2 1/2, which is the same as my Transform Pearl. If you guys have not already watched that video, head over there, like the video, watch it if you want. That would help me out a lot, but we're giving one away over there. We're gonna see if we could do it there, and then if we could do it everywhere else, great. We'll give away a bunch of bowling balls, but unless that happens, we're just gonna stick to that one for now. So where does this ball belong in your bag? It's gonna be first ball of the bag. It's strong, it's gonna be early, it's gonna be, I mean, honestly, not super smooth just because there's a lot of dip, so it's gonna wanna curve quite a bit. I can feel that it is fighting its way down the lane, which is why it's 10 pinning sometimes, or it's getting close to 10 pinning. Just doesn't quite store enough energy for what we're bowling on. We're bowling the house shot right now. This is gonna be a great ball for your higher ball speed players, your lower rev rate players. A great ball if you wanna bowl on higher volume, or if you are bowling on higher volume. That means more oil, not longer. I can see this one being pretty good if we take it up surface. It is brand new out of the box, so it's the freshest the surface can be. So that makes it kind of tough on these Gold Coast house shots because this bowling alley already hooks pretty early. Not bad. Yep. You know what this ball kind of looks like? Optimus Solid. It's like an orange instead of green. Optimus Solid. I kind of like it. It's giving me those vibes. If it rolls like one, I'd be excited. But this one is a little asymmetric. Has 10 intermediate, not a lot. It doesn't flare a whole lot because of the layout. I'll show you guys after I throw my next shot. All the hook you're seeing is really from cover. The core is not doing as much as it could. Oh boy. Oh, we got a little recovery. Oh, ball on a house shot. All right, let me show you guys where the flare rings are. Maybe we'll use the high-def iPhone cam to show you. I need to keep checking it just to make sure. I only have 10 gigs of data left on my phone of storage. There we go. Those flare lines. Not a lot of flare because it's a weaker layout. If you give it one of those more standard traditional layouts, or if you have the 4.5 inchers, this ball's gonna flare quite a bit. Gremlin, top O to bag. First ball of the bag. Would not recommend carrying this with an Ion Max or an Equinox Solid, or what other, I mean, just if you have a big, strong cover asymmetric bowling ball, it's probably not gonna complement that one very well. break out the Equinox Solid. We have Equinox Solid here now. I'm gonna compare it. I'm gonna stay in the same spot. We're probably just gonna keep moving left because my ball's already hooking too much. But this one, the layout might be in there. Oh, it is. 4 1/4, 4 3/4, 4 1/4. This is drilled really strong. I think the cover is weaker than the Gremlin. I'm not really sure. The most comparable, I missed all of it at the bottom. Equinox Solid is gonna look weaker than Gremlin because that one's got a lot of games on it. It is lane shine. There's a lot more oil in it, so the cover is broken in quite a bit more. Gotta keep that in mind when we're bowling or when we're doing these ball reviews. The brand new balls are always gonna hook more, come off the spot harder, just because they're at their factory finish. Now you might ask, Darren, why don't you keep your bowling balls factory finish for the ball reviews? It just get kind of lazy sometimes. And I know you guys trust your eyes more than my words, so my apologies for that. I also apologize for Lance not being here. He's on vacation right now. So don't keep asking me where he is. Let him enjoy his life. If you need an upgrade, if you have been throwing your Equinox Solid, that ball's a little less than a year old now. Well, not even, maybe 7 months? I don't know. If you feel like you need a fresh cover, the Gremlin could be your replacement. Shape is gonna be a little different, just because the numbers are a little different, but will be a good replacement. All right, I'm standing in the same spot as that last Equinox Solid shot. Yeah, it's bogging pretty hard. By bog, we mean it's getting it's not making that nice swooping shape down the lane. But again, really strong ball. It's gonna be a first ball out of the bag, kind of reactive ball. That's where it is. Shall we test the limits? Shall we test the left side of the lane? Shall we? I do miss Lance. I wish he was here to do the ball review with me. This would be another big ball that he doesn't have. Viking Conquest is another ball up there that you don't want to really overlap with this. Unless you're on the high ball speed, low rev kind of player. You could have a pin up and a pin down one, I guess. Oh, that hooked so early. I don't think that was all me. It wasn't a great shot, but yeah, we'll try again. We'll give it another shot. Let's try one more bag of ball. Gremlin of Wicked. I feel like I'm too far left, but I also feel like there's too much hook over there. Oh, better. This ball just big, looks a lot. Shout out Gold Coast and the manager in the back, general manager, Marshall Goebel. If you guys need anything, have any complaints, go to him, talk to him. Great guy, he'll take care of you. Look at him kissing babies, shaking hands with the kids. We're gonna leave the left side of the lane alone. We don't want the lefties to complain too much. Let's see how much this ball can recover though. Okay, a little left skis. Too strong. Need more oil. When would I use this ball? It could come out on long patterns. It wouldn't last very long for me, just because my rub rate's a little higher now. So it would be tough for me to keep throwing this ball throughout the block. I'd have to keep moving a lot, because on top of this ball flaring a lot, and the big cover, that's gonna make the lanes change a lot faster. Oh boy, that hooked as soon as it touched the lane. When we ball in the house shot, there's typically not a lot of oil towards the gutters. So if we lay it down left of 35, really strong ball is gonna see that friction in the front of the lane. So I probably gotta loft a little. Again, go over the Transform Pearl video. You'll like it. Let's give one away. That's not hooking. There are balls that are designed to hook from over there, and just because the ball's marketed as a big hooking ball does not mean it covers a lot of boards. It means it hooks early. So for you league bowlers out there, I am positive this ball is gonna look better for you than it does for me. But hey, if you don't wanna buy this one, there's plenty of other options out there. There we go. We can't end on that, right? We gotta end on a strike. She's getting tired. But luckily, I am not a very smart guy, but I'm smart enough to know that I'm gonna do the ball review for the strong ball first and the weak ball second. So luckily, we will transition into the weaker ball and see how that goes. I'm stubborn, I'm not gonna move. Don't be stubborn when you're bowling for score though. There we go. Yoink. That hit a lot harder than I thought it would, but yeah, that's been Wicked Gremlin. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, please like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Helps me out a lot. Free for you guys to do. Just a little bit of effort, and I appreciate your effort. So thanks for watching.